So this is the issue that takes time. People are very easy to read, right? If you remember a couple of key foundational rules, right? One is how you do anything is how you do everything, right? That's one rule. How you do anything is how you do everything. So therefore, you can just find out one thing from them and you'll know everything about them. You will, yeah, you know one thing about them, you'll know everything about them. And the second is that every behavior is driven to gain more love and worth. Now, with just those two understandings, you can know everything about someone.